UNC President Gaidon Kamai arrested by police from Phaidinga this morning as economic blockade enters 25th day today. UNSAM demands unconditional release of UNC President Gaidon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Stephen Lamkang. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh inaugurates another industrial estate in Thoubal district. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee takes out protest march against demonetization in Imphal. And USA drop India A 11-4 while India B Manipur defeat Kenya 9-1 in Polo International. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. United Naga Council President Gaidon Kamai was arrested by police this morning. This arrest comes after the economic blockade called by the UNC has entered the 25th day today. Gaidon Kamai was arrested this morning around 11:15 in Phaidinga by a police team led by Additional SP Imphal West, Dr. Sarangthem Ibomcha and OC of Imphal West District, Commando Thangampao. He was staying at the house of Thomas Liangmei, son of chairman of Kunku village of Lemakong for the past 2-3 days. The publicity secretary of UNC, 36-year-old Stephen Lamkang, son of Sinkui Thamnok of Chandel, who was driving the Bolero in which Gaidon Kamai was travelling this morning, was also arrested by the police. The Bolero bears a registration number of Nagaland NL07C1642. Both of them have been handed over to Imphal West Police Station. It may be mentioned that the United Naga Council has imposed indefinite economic blockade on the two national highways opposing the state government's move to declare Sadar Hills and Jiribam as full-fledged revenue districts since the first day of the month. They were arrested following the ruling of the Supreme Court that bans and blockades are against the law and the Constitution of India. Meanwhile, All Naga Students Association Manipur (UNSAM) has demanded unconditional release of United Naga Council UNC President Gaidon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Stephen Lamkang. Addressing media persons at Dulalin, UNSAM President Seth Satsang said there has been understanding with the government that no new district will be formed in Naga inhabitant areas without discussing with the Nagas. He said regarding the matter, Nagas have been signing MOUs with the government in the past. He said the economic blockade call under the UNC is the only means left to know whether the government will declare Sadar Hills district or not. He said UNSAM takes the arrest of UNC President and Publicity Secretary as a very serious matter and appealed to the centre to intervene in the matter. Seth Satsang threatened to intensify the economic blockade.
There is a MOU signed between the Naga people and the government of Manipur that they will consult all the stakeholders, the representing organization of the Naga people, when the government decides to create a new district in the state. But today, the government of Manipur have communally diluted the issue. The demand of the UNSAM is immediately release the UNC President and Information and Publicity Secretary immediately without any condition. If the government fail to release them immediately, I think the consequences will be very expensive and it will not be constructive for all of us.
Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh today inaugurated an industrial estate for Thoubal district at Kuraupo. The industrial estate, built with financial assistance from the Ministry of Micro and Small Enterprises and North-Eastern Council, will have 27 sets and aims at helping 270 entrepreneurs directly. It also aims at generating jobs for over 3,500 persons. In his inaugural speech, the Chief Minister once again reiterated that it is impossible for the government to give job to every educated, unemployed youths. He said the state government, with the help of entrepreneurs, has been providing employment to the youth on private-public partnership. Chief Minister appealed to the people of the district to take the benefits of the industrial estate to improve their economic condition.
Government hana hotel class na taba Imphal hotel ji government hana chalai ri mamne tolop changba mayam ama madaida tawraga pham chalai bane hotel ji changbasu yate adu hojikti private party da pitho kanda Dr. WC, he is a good entrepreneur. By profession, man Dr. Oijerga Soba. Afaba entrepreneur Haibatare. Mana Tabak Piri Bese. Nearly 1,000 government Piba Namdavsi man employment Piraga. Adu the job Sipiri. Sumai Todana entrepreneur say, Pretty Sapat Krabama Pumping say, private party na loin investor without private participation, any state amata, any country amata.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam stated that development of the state can be achieved only when industry is fully developed. Deputy Chief Minister said Manipur is moving forward. He said as Manipur is an important place in view of the link between Southeast Asian countries, people should come forward for the development of the state. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthaujam, Parliamentary Secretary K. Meghachandra, MLAs K. Ranjit, Y. Surchandra, P. Brojen, Mohammad Fazul Rahim, E. Dujamani, Principal Secretary and Director of Commerce and Industries Department also attended the inauguration.
Hayenge Manipuri, Hena Papa Manipur or Dabani. Masiki potential substantially, Holic potential mayam say, exploit the momentum, explore the momentum to Oire. Naron si Equipunama, Equimusin, can say Nadana, Amadi Ate, or the Padabada, equic attention. Divert Todana like Bamatam to Oidre Hasabani. Marmadana, let us be the soldier for the new Manipur.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today clarified that it was a mistake on the part of the Tourism Ministry to print Sanjanthong as home church lane on the invitation of the 5th International Tourism Mart for Northeast Region 2016, which began yesterday at City Convention Centre. Ibobi Singh said the centre chose Manipur as venue for the Northeast Region International Tourism Mart and Tourism Ministry organized the event. He said the ministry has conveyed its mistake.
Government of India ki Tourism Secretary se inga sai aksu kaure aduga santosh adugi se adu pirone masi moina akhoi gi International Tourist Mart se moina Government of India gi function neba kanogi akhoi gi foreign country ne kene yaurga do khoi North Eastern da Manipur se moina khalak paneba ado masi akhoi sida tauge na akhoi gi infrastructure mayam jingji yengaga moina ada Google da yengaga tharakani no city yaroi City Convention Center Palace Gate Imphal haibse sidania tu atopa maming amta leitiena moina su sengtoge akhoi state government na su dum sengtok pirona horen de dum sengto ani dum
Kangleipa Commercial Affairs Association Kakua, jointly formed by IPSA and KSA, has warned the shopkeepers that if they are found selling food and essential items at a higher price during the economic blockade, their shops will be closed down for 1 year. The volunteers of the association today seized several sacks of garlic from a shop near Kali Mandir at Thangal Bazar. The shop was selling the garlic at a higher price and the volunteers seized the garlic sacks from the godown. The volunteers sold the seized garlic to the public at its original price at Samumakhong in Khwarambal Bazar. Since morning, the volunteers made the shopkeepers near the Naga River sell the food and other essential items at their original prices. Kakwa coordinator O. Bhomeshwar appealed to shop owners in the market as well as in localities not to hike the prices of all the commodities.
Nagapan Kali Mandir hai jaga asidagi akhoi chanam bek tara phagat charakpani aduga magi godown da leramba chanam singduna akhoi gi lam da dukan phambi riba nungsi jarbasin nau singda akhoi keji da sama kunthra ni phugi changda akhoi kakwa association pithoga moi lam da puhan khibani maram aduna UNCC na kauriba economic blockade asi kakwa association gi maikai dagi athuba matam da handokpi dukandar singna tauriba ma na joningma mamal da jonduna praja sing waliba si khudak da lepi wa madi godown singda paiduna pochai leramba thengnarabadi maduda phagalago polam sing adu akhoi prajada yenthok chagani amadi mad dukan hai riba dukan adu sahi ama akhoi kakwa association na madu dukan thong thingjanduna maunda hak pacharak pigani.
Drivers of tankers stranded at Khatkati in Assam due to the economic blockade have been facing a number of problems. They have been stranded there since the 21st of this month. They said wild elephants from the nearby jungles come out at night and damage the parked vehicles and the goods inside them. The drivers urged the authorities concerned to look into their problems. Altogether, 473 vehicles including 109 oil tankers, 23 trucks with gas bullets and 341 trucks with food and other items are expected to arrive at Imphal under tight security from National Highway number 37, Imphal-Ziri Road. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee today organized a mass rally in Imphal to protest against the demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupee notes. Around 5,000 Congress workers marched from Congress Bhavan at BT Road towards the National Highway near the western gate of the Kangla. The rally then covered Khuyathong, Nagamapal and Kesampa traffic point. The rally turned back from Kesampa and concluded at Congress Bhavan. Different placards like legal experts should take up suo motu case against Prime Minister. NDA government must resign for being anti-people. Prime Minister is anti-farmer and anti-poor among others were used in the rally. Congress workers threw pamphlets on the road reminding people of the effect of demonetization and ceasefire during NDA government. Speaking to Impact News, MPCC President T.N. Haukip said that demonetization has affected the fundamental rights of a common man.
Migi fundamental rights so aduna nangi egi fundamental right to the India Constitution gi matung inna violate tawre aduna ekhoi protest to jabani poor people khakta nate common man karbar wala small businessman industry ngasi phawdi lakh mari manga thabak to khre labor force totally crippled ho raha hai moneyless purchaseless shopless aduna sum sangda chatharadi manmohan singh na haibado we are all dead aduna india kandaba yade angangbo migi sason pamdre.
Wangoi MLA O Lukhoi said Congress will return and form the government in the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly election. Speaking at a political conference organized by Election Committee 22 by 13 Wangoi Assembly constituency at Oinam Sombung, MLA Lukhoi said Congress will get majority in the hill districts of the state. He said demonetization is causing problems to daily wage earners and people should not support them. Commenting on the arrest of United Naga Council President Gaidon Kame, he said he will support any step taken up by the Chief Minister and also appealed to the UNC not to make public suffer.
UNC President mage subordinate mage members sing tharabanina khoi ju sarkar am leiribanina rules of law chanaba dumba khoi ju state am oibanina sarkar na kari khongthang lorkadage haibado khoi honorable chief minister lebak pubiriba khoi ge leader mayama cabinet minister mayama leiribanina sarkar na lorko khongthang duda akhoi karino haibado khoi yengba tabani du.
Aspiring BJP candidate Wahengbam Piyananda of Kaisam Thong has returned to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting him to choose the candidates who will be supported by the people in the upcoming 11th Assembly elections. Speaking to media at his residence at Sagolpam, Nepramenjo, Wahengbam Piyananda said the BJP wave under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Manipur. He said it is important that the BJP fills only qualified candidates. He also said he will support the BJP candidate in the election even if he is not given the party ticket.
Southut pa India mo ina kauna na bohona ba matamda Manipur se Southut trabadi India Southut le habi yaro Manipur Southut pa hai base Modi sigisu adugumba tawdaba yadraba thawdang amani haina lobiramgani leiriba governance system masida IT gi yamna darkar oiba masi yaudragadi complete oida bungum na khanaraba matamni IT sigi matengna transparency amadi efficiency porakpada atugi matik achoba thaudang lawi Modi ji na ngasi corruption thingba ngamliba sisu IT ge duma pambai kya sinaraga ngamlibani aingonda ticket pibi rektaba taragadi vote lepseroi party na khallaga thagaliba mioi singa duda candidate amo ohelakpa matamdai isamak chagut sagani.
The Government of India has directed the National Investigation Agency to investigate into the killing of former chairman of Pripak VC, Ningombam Nabachandra Elias Nongdrim Khomba, 58 years, and his driver, Laisamtheng Sanjit, 41 years, of Thangmeban Hijam Diwan Lekai. An FIR was filed at Hengang Police Station. It may be recalled that they were shot dead by unknown armed men on the intervening night of June 21 and 22 this year at the designated camp on the campus of 7 Manipur Rifles at Khabaisoi. Pripak VC is a signatory to the suspension of operation with the state government. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Thawal Police Commando and 2nd Assam Rifles arrested a cadre of KNF during a search operation in Bongyang village. PRO Police Department in a press release said the cadre is identified as Mangming Kipgen, 19 years, son of Nekholen Kipgen of T. Tangkhang village in Senapati district. 1 AK-56 rifle, 1 magazine and 20 live rounds were recovered from him. A case has been registered at Yaripok police station. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Sangai Festival the Hangjagadoriba Pebet Designs Photo Studio Nagamapal Phobay Samam Lekai Dagi Adongi Apamba Pot Amhekta Leibiduna Lucky Winner Oibiu Prizes Sing Adudi Miyamgi Hene Kudong Chava Yingjaraga Lupa Chamanga Amadi Lising Chapigi Note Lovzagani. Late safe Sangai, come enjoy the Sangai Fest and please do buy products from Pebet Store.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A 16-day international campaign on gender-based violence began today at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong. The campaign is organized across the world with an objective to prevent violence against children and women. The campaign is organized by Women in Governance, Wing Manipur, with the theme Orange the World, raise money to end violence against women and girls. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. Kaisam Sobita, Wing Manipur Steering Committee member Jayanti Kaising, Wing Manipur members from all the districts attended the inauguration of the campaign. Leima Industries at Mantripur today launched packaged drinking water, Leima. Speaking at the event, Forest Minister Irengbam Himochandra appreciated the endeavor of Leima Industries to produce drinking water in the state, which is facing unemployment problem. He also expressed the hope that if such industries are set up, employment can be provided to the unemployed youths in Manipur. Oinam MLA Irengbam Ibohalbi also attended the event.
Packaged drinking water unit asi sangajawa matamda ngasai totally automated loinamak machine na loinamak tawdaga ngasai libi gi ba magi journey 2012 adwai dagi magna khanjarak pa wakhal adu madu mangphawna na hona ba madu gi struggle madu tasengna koi punamaki sida leibiri ba khwai punamaki madu ai di tamjaningai ne na lawjei.
PWD Additional Chief Engineer 2 KH Temba Singh said 4 tenders for the construction of National Highway 150 and National Highway 137/A at the cost of rupees 271 crore will be out on the 5th of next month, as there were confusion among the contractors today. Speaking to media persons at his office, Additional Chief Engineer 2 KH Temba Singh said the tenders for the said works and online submission were ordered on October 7. The tender was supposed to open on the 14th of this month, but due to demonetization, it was scheduled for today. But there were confusions among the contractors at the office gate, and the last date for the submission of the tender has been fixed for the 5th of December till 1 p.m. and the tender will be opened at 2 p.m. He also said that a contractor can physically come or send it through speed post for the tender bid.
ऑफिसदा अदुगी नंगनबा मयाम सिलिंगाई सिदा अखोगी थोंगी मपानदा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर मसेन खरा अमा गी पोट सबमिट तौहंद्रे हाइबा पाउ ताबदगी अखोइना मसिगी इशू से सॉल्व तौनबा हाइदना अखोइ टेंडर असे गी सबमिशन असे डिसेंबर गे तांग मंगा अमसुंग हांगदोकपगी तांग नुमित असिउ तांग मंगा डिसेंबर गे तांग मंगा भवो येथोक्सरे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सिंगना फिजिकली ला सबमिट तौबज याय अदुगा नत्रगना बाय कोरियर नत्रगा स्पीड पोस्ट दा हजिकी हारिबा तांग असिगी ममांगदा अखोइदा यौ पिरकलगदी मखोइगी टेंडर सिंग अदो अखोइना हांगदोकपदा यावजगनी.
The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has cleared 4 projects for the northeastern region at an estimated cost of Rs 1,174 crore. 2 of these projects are in Manipur and 1 each in Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. The first project is for strengthening of the existing 2-lane pavement and providing paved shoulder on 47.67 km stretch of National Highway Mau to Imphal section at a cost of Rs 230.46 crore. The second project is also for strengthening of the existing 2-lane pavement and providing paved shoulder on another 27 km stretch of Mau Imphal at a cost of Rs 139.87 crore. Inspector General of Police Law and Order Zone 1 Clay Khongsai today extended financial help to injured senior journalist Arambam Luang Thoi at his residence at Sagolban Mainolerak Maisnam Nongthongba Laikai. Arambam Luang Thoi was hit by a 4-wheeler at Kasampa Thiam Laikai while he was riding a 2-wheeler on the night of November 19. He was admitted at Raj Medicity and was discharged on November 23. The second Asian Theatre Festival began at the NT Theatre's Khongnem Sang Auditorium in Changangai. The festival is organized by NT Theatre under Manipur Tourism Department as part of the Sangai Festival 2016. The inaugural day of the 5-day festival was attended by Consultant of Government of Manipur, retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai, Manipur Culture University VC Professor Naurem Khagendra, Tourism Department Special Secretary Ashok Kumar, and theatre lovers of the state. The festival is participated by 3 troops from Manipur, 1 troop each from Japan and Assam. The Japanese troop could not arrive today as flight tickets were unavailable. Dak Ghar, a play by Kalakshetra Manipur, founded by late renowned theatre personality Haisnam Kanhai Lal, was shown on the first day.
And we become too much globalized to understand the nuances of our tradition. The influence of films, the influence of 24/7 television have, to a large extent, inculcated certain behavior so that our appreciation of our traditional arts, in this way, are very strong, have deteriorated. Without spectator, any art form or any game will die slowly.
5-day Imphal Literature Festival 2016 kicked off today at Manipur Press Club. The festival is hosted by Sahitya Thopang Lup in collaboration with Patriotic Writers Forum and supported by Department of Art and Culture. Thiam Ibochaubi National Award was conferred to L. Biramangol of Tripura in recognition of his contribution to promotion of Manipuri literature in Tripura. The award carries Rs 10,000, a citation and a shawl. Writers from outside the state were also felicitated at the festival. World Heritage Week concluded today at Andro Heritage Cultural Center, Andro Khunau Laikai. The week was organized by Manipur State Archaeology under the sponsorship of Department of Art and Culture from the 19th of this month. Mutua Museum Director Mutua Bahadur and Khulakpa of Andro Village, C.H. Gandha, took part in the closing function. A 10-day grooming training program for contestants of Miss Manipur 2016 began today at Classic Grande. The audition for the beauty pageant to be held on December 6 was held on November 20 and 20 finalists have been selected. Haley Lekthambam is the director of the beauty pageant. Haley said the training is being held to help the contestant. Dental checkup, skin care class, hair care class and voice training will be done during the training. The contest will be held on the theme Communal Harmony and Women Empowerment.
Winner hai kind for example mina media bite lo buni khang di or me ama interact over matam da mi je lots of qualities se khona possess to bose pam je attend je sida khona ya ba push to ba tor kana moi je polish to ba matam polish to ba polish tor kan da khona deserving candidate to khanja gena khanmane winner da khona deserving oiba candidate maybe it could be tribal oigera muslim oigera khoi maitei oigera chingdam admaina khoi nusinar kan khona partiality leite bida haidi impartially khona treatment da jar tun khona genuine oiba winner deserving oiba candidate to na dum winner o hen gena khanja bagi pandam da sinjabani.
Manipur Police Commando Bazaar Unit found a woman handbag at Ngari Gali, Khwairamal Bazaar. The bag contained documents belonging to Naurembam Ishabala of Haingang Awang Lekai. The owner of the bag can contact 9863917779 and bring identity proof to take the bag. Veteran journalist Dilip Padgaonkar passed away this morning in Pune at the age of 72. He was admitted to a hospital on November 18 following a heart attack. Later, he suffered multiple organ failure and was on dialysis after his kidneys stopped functioning. Dilip began his career as a journalist in 1968 as the Times of India's Paris correspondent. He became the newspaper's editor in 1988, a post he held for 6 years. Padgaonkar was part of a 3-member team of interlocutors appointed by the UPA government in 2010 to hold talks with all the sections of people in Jammu and Kashmir. Now the news from the world of sports. USA and Manipur Team B beat their rivals in the league matches of the 10th Manipur Polo International 2016. In the first match played today at Imphal Polo Ground, USA trounced India A team 11-4. Lucas Reed scored 6 goals, George Kreb 3, while Bio Bundal and Rian Corlin Pather scored 1 goal each for the winners. In another match, India B Manipur defeated Kenya 9-1. For the winners, P. Ojit and M. Jawan scored 3 goals each, while T.H. Ajit, T. Pradeep and S. Bimol scored 1 goal each. Nugambao scored the lone goal for Kenya. Neroka FC Sangakpham won the 11th Manipur State League. In the final match played today at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium, Neroka FC Sangakpham beat Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai 4-3 in a penalty shootout to lift the trophy. Neroka FC Sangakpham goalkeeper Lalit Thapa was adjudged the player of the tournament, while N. Pritam of AIM and Madhu Mangol of Nako were declared the top scorers with 13 goals each. Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai bagged the Fair Play Award. All Manipur Sports Association President L. Lokendro, Thangweban MLA KS Joy Kishan and AMFA President S. Sanatomba and football lovers witnessed the final match. Felicitation was held for 3 players of Imphal West District Football Association who are going to participate in Under-17 Boys FIFA Football World Cup hosted by India. 10 state players have been selected in the 25-member Indian squad. Imphal West District Football Association felicitated India's team captain, defensive midfielder Wangjam Suresh, son of W. Chandra from Wangoi, Wanghembam Lekai, defender Thangjam Boris, son of T.H. Mohesh from Khuyathong Polem Lekai, and right-wing midfielder Khumanthem Ningthoinganba, son of K.H. Manglemba of Khuyathong Polem Lekai, at his office at Imphal Polo Ground. Members of the association extended financial help and wished them luck for the World Cup.
Yamna improve to in Kalimamde, Akwai Sanagiba, Tim, the India history in Oibazamande, Brazil, Yanambani, South Africa, Kanam Sanavanate, Quenas Yanambani, Yam and Akwai Sanajung, the grassroots President players on the Awanate, Samak 2011, the Sanavani, technical Yam Kene Hagadra, ball quality Kenare, Duga, Asia, the Ayama long ball at the Bricks Cup to the long ball park to Sanade, Duga Sananu, I was a bricks near Asia Sanavade.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. UNC President Gaidon Kamai arrested by police from Hidinga this morning as economic blockade enters 25th day today. Ansam demands unconditional release of UNC President Gaidan Kamai and Publicity Secretary Stephen Lamkang. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh inaugurates another industrial estate in Thoubal district. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee takes out protest march against demonetization Imphal. And USA drop India A 11-4 while India B Manipur defeat Kenya 9-1 in Polo International.